Dipsy saw a plane.
What? Wow! Dipsy see plane! Oh! What's that? Plane! Ooh, plane? Dipsy see plane! Laa-Laa see plane! Plane? No plane? No plane. Whoa! Plane! We're plane. 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 Follow the plane. Follow the plane. Plane. Zoom, zoom. Plane. Whoosh, whoosh. Whoosh, whoosh. We're plane gone. Plane go loop-de-loop. Loop-de-loop-de-loop. Tubby's loop-de-loop.
Come in, air traffic control. This is flight TUBB-13. Permission to enter the runway. We are ready for takeoff.
Ooh, let's be an aeroplane, flying through the sky all day. Ooh, let's be an aeroplane, put your arms out wide. Ooh, let's be an aeroplane, a jumbo jet or a biplane. Ooh, let's be an aeroplane, put your arms out wide. It's time to fly.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard this flight to Teletubbyland. Hold on tight, because we're in for a bumpy ride.
Ooh, let's be an aeroplane, flying through the sky all day. Ooh, let's be an aeroplane, put your arms out wide. Ooh, let's be an aeroplane, a jumbo jet or a biplane. Ooh, let's be an aeroplane, put your arms out wide. It's time to fly.
Plane! Plane! Airplane!
The Teletubbies love being planes.
Yeah!
Dipsy was putting Teddy to bed.
Oh, Dipsy put Teddy to bed. Oh. Oh, night-night. Oh, Teddy sleeping. Shh, Laa-Laa, Teddy's sleeping. Okay. night, Teddy. Teddy, wakey wake! Teddy hug. Laa-Laa to me, Teddy. Laa-Laa to me, Teddy. Oh, Teddy hug. Oh, Teddy come with Laa-Laa. Oh, oh, Teddy, lovely custard. Oh, Teddy! Okay, Teddy.
Oh, lovely Teddy.
Tinky-Winky turn.
Tinky-Winky play with Teddy now.
What should we do today, Teddy? We could fly to the moon, or play hide and seek, or, well, we could do anything.
Me and my Teddy can fly to the moon. Me and my Teddy are so cool. Me and my Teddy, we love to play. It's just me and my Teddy every day. It's just me and my Teddy, me and my Teddy, me and my Teddy, yeah. It's just me and my Teddy, me and my Teddy, me and my Teddy bear. Me and my Teddy can jump through the clouds. Me and my Teddy make each other proud. Me and my Teddy, we love to play. It's just me and my Teddy every day. It's just me and my Teddy, me and my Teddy, me and my Teddy, yeah. It's just me and my Teddy, me and my Teddy, me and my Teddy bear. It's just me and my Teddy, me and my Teddy, me and my Teddy, yeah. It's just me and my Teddy, me and my Teddy, me and my Teddy bear.
Once upon a time, Teddy go outside. Teddy see clouds. Teddy play.
Tinky-Winky. Paul give Teddy lobby hug. Lobby hug time, Teddy.
Teddy not like hugs, Paul. Teddy not like hugs. Teddy not like hugs, Paul.
Teddy lobby hugs, Tinky-Winky.
Teddy not like hugs, Paul.
It was time for Poe to have a turn with Teddy.
Okay. And with Teddy
Thank
now.
you. Paul had time with Teddy now.
Tinky-Winky love Tinky Ted.
Teddy loves hugs.
Teddy loved Cubby hugs.
The Teletubbies love Teddy.
Teddy lovey Teletubbies.
Tinky-Winky bag! Where Tinky-Winky bag?
Back outside! Back outside! Look, Dipsy has.
Dipsy have Tinky-Winky bag?
Tinky-Winky found a magnifying glass.
Oh, Wow!
Very big eyes.
The Teletubbies use the magnifying glass to look for clues.
Yeah, look for clues. What clues?
The clues help the Teletubbies find Dipsy and Tinky-Winky's bag.
Whoa! Look for clues outside!
No Dipsy. No bag.
Where bag? Laa-Laa turn!
Hey! Yeah. Oh, look.
What?
Clue. Dipsy gone.
Oh, where bag?
If we look, maybe we can see the things that we can't find. So just look over there, under here, and say, Look on the table. Look on the floor. I'm sure you'll find what you are looking for. Let's be detectives. If we look, maybe we can see a clue behind that tree. So just look to the front, to the back, and say, huh? Where did it go? I just don't know. We're sure to find it in the end. Look over here. Look everywhere. 'Cause it might just be over there. Let's be detectives.
It's a clue. We'll find another clue. Follow the Found Dipsy! Yeah, Tinky-Winky. Oh, Tinky-Winky, love me back! Thank you!
Big, small. Big and small.
Big and small are opposites. They are as different as can be.
Tiddly-Tubbies sleeping.
Quiet and loud are opposites.
Quiet.
Loud! Opposite!
Oh, Tiddly-Tubbies awake.
Awake and asleep are opposites.
Sleep.
awake, asleep, opposites. Woohoo!
Fast and slow are opposites. Up and down are opposites.
Up. Down. Opposites.
Near and far are opposites.
Yeah. Opposites.
Full and empty are opposites.
Full. Empty. Opposite. Oh, empty. Oh, empty. Empty. Opposite. No, custard. Poe sad. Uh-oh. Yay, custard. Poe happy. Yay.
Sad and happy are opposites.
Sad.
Are we upside down or the right way up? Are we upside down or the right way up? Are we upside down or the right way up? So many opposites, opposites. Sad, high, low, awake, sleep, empty. Sad, low, awake, sleep, empty. Are we upside down or the right way up? Are we upside down or the right way up? Are we upside down or the right way up? So many opposites, opposites. So many opposites,
Daddy smell hot. Daddy small, Daddy big. Opposite. Daddy small, Daddy big.
Very small and very big are opposites. The Teletubbies love opposites.